Vehicle? Check out the 2018 Model S. Model S is the world's first premium electric sedan. Model S provides an unprecedented driving range without burning a drop of gasoline. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.